Hey everyone, Mr. Schachter here with and another video and a compound inequality. So let's take a look at the word and. Both inequalities are true at the same time. The solution to the compound inequality is the overlap or the intersection of the two inequalities. Okay, so and they both have to be true simultaneously. Let's try an example. This is an example right here. It says 3x plus 2 is less than 14 and 2x minus 5 is greater than negative 11. So if you were to solve each piece on the left side here, let's try this one first. It's separate than the other one. So this one you just minus 2 both sides of the inequality, and you get that 3x is less than 12, and then you would simply divide by 3, giving you that x is less than 4. And then your keyword should be written in the middle of both of the pieces. And then over here you just simply have to add 5 to both sides. So let's see, it's a separate inequality again, don't get it confused with that one. So if you add 5 to negative 11, you're going to get that 2x is greater than negative 6. And then if you divide by 2, you're going to get that x is greater than negative 3. And this is the solution set to the inequality. Okay, now let's look at what it looks like on a graph. So if we draw a graph, and now negative 3 is smaller, so I got to put negative 3 on this side and 4 on that side. So don't be confused by the order there. All right, they both get open circles. Now here's what's going to happen. Okay, we're going to start with the negative 3. Now the negative 3 is shading to the right, so we're going to do this in like a maybe a blue. Let's try blue. So we're going to shade to the right. Okay, negative 3 is going to the right, but the 4 is going to the left. Going to the left. And if we look back at our definition, it says that where they are both the overlap, the intersection, where they're both true. So the answer to what the graph would look like is simply everything between these two numbers, all that stuff. So we can actually take our pen or eraser and erase everything over here, right? We'd have to erase here as well because the open circle does not include 4. So we'll just redraw it with a nice open circle again, and then we would erase everything over here, and including right underneath. You can get it right without erasing. Wonderful. So the graph is simply shading between negative 3 and 4, right in the center, the overlap. All right,